So now we'll start tweaking this front panel. As you can see, there are some weird artifacts going on here. So we have to fix those. That's what we are going to do in this lesson. So I'll go back to my front panel and I'll find out a way through which I can fix this. So I will add a blur HQ here to the whole front panel where we have the speakers and everything. And what I will do here, I will lower down the intensity and up the quality. So 0.2 I think will be fine. Okay. So even with the 0 quality, it looks fine. So I don't have to do any changes in the quality. If you want, you can do that, but I don't feel like I have to do it. Then I will add a levels node here just to make it a little bit sharper. Otherwise it will look very organic. And I'll just try to fix this up to make it look like it is a little sharp as well. So not too much. So you can see it has got much more better than before. And here you can see there is something weird going on because it is kind of sticking to the surface. So what I will do, I will take this blur intensity of my overall panel and use its blur intensity here in order to make it a little bit sharper. Okay, I think it's better this way. So not so too much change I will do here. So this looks fine. I don't have to do a lot of changes here. So I'm really thankful to you all for becoming member of my premium membership plan. And thanks for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new content I will be uploading soon. And if you have liked my video, so please hit the like button. And if you have any queries or questions, then please leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them, especially the premium tutorials, because these are paid tutorials, so I don't want them to get pirated. So please, if someone is doing this, or if you find someone else doing the same, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials by getting demotivated. Therefore, help me to get new subscribers. And now I will take off. Take care, guys, till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.